VeggiChop is one of the most versatile tools in the chef-in line. It's one of my personal favorites. It's great for chopping nuts, as we're going to do right now, to herbs, to doing salsa batches, guacamole, I mean, you name it, it does the trick. So you just take some nuts here, just put it inside, take the lid, place it on top, make sure it's locked into place, and then you just turn this, pull a few times, and the amount of pulls that I do is how finely or coarsely chopped the nuts will be. So we'll just do a few more, unlock, and within just a few pulls, look what we've done. So you can actually put it in here for storage if you'd like, or serving. And let's show one other thing we can do. Very popular item that the VeggiChop is great for is onions. So let's just throw a couple in here and see how fast the VeggiChop can whip these into shape. So once again, lock it into place. Just a few pulls on the cord. And how many pulls was that? I wasn't counting, but look at this. Check it out. You could just throw some cilantro in there, tomatoes, you know, a little few spices, whatever you want to do. You could make salsa right there, all in one batch. And if you don't want to use it right now, or you have a little excess, it comes with a handy lid. You just pop on top and just push down, and you're ready to put this in the fridge for later.